Hi, I'm Phil from the Bristol Bay Code Factory, and in this tutorial we're going to look at how you can customize PhotoOrganista to your needs and workflows. PhotoOrganista was designed from the ground up to be highly configurable. First of all, you can create separate tabs inside your portfolio showing different sets of images in different presentations. Here I've got one in a browser mode, a film strip view, and a couple of charts. Notice how all the tools on the left change with each setting. But in addition to this, there are a whole host of other customizations that you'll find in the Settings tab. Now, some of these have been covered in our other tutorials, but I wanted to pick out a few in this video. We've got some basic controls here around whether you prefer your units to be in meters or feet, and your temperature to be in Celsius or Fahrenheit. This is particular for darkroom photographers. You can change the colour palette of the controls. You can go into each individual area and select a new colour. Or you can just use one of the presets here. You've got the option to run the application in light mode or dark mode, or automatically switch through the day. And if you don't like the background colour of the thumbnails matching their colour tag, you can disable it here. Photo Fields allows you to change the data that is shown around the thumbnails and photographs when they're displayed on the screen. You can use any of the data fields associated with the photograph here. You've got the full ability to customize keyboard shortcuts. You can open up and explore, or you can search here. You can choose which key you want to assign. Then using the command key and the value you've chosen here will trigger that action. Furthermore, you can create update shortcuts, where you can apply values to your photographs using keystrokes. You will have a set predefined for all the ratings, but you can define on any other field you want. For example, I could put a copyright field in here. And assign it a key. To access this, you use the control modifier and the key specified here. We've covered quick picks, drill down, field editor and bands in some of the other tutorials, so I won't repeat them here. Alerts allows you to suppress some of the confirmation dialog boxes that are presented under certain actions. You will always get the option when an alert appears to suppress it there, but if you want to re-enable it, you can come back into this screen. And finally, we give you a clear view of what subscription plan you're on and the option to swap it to another one. We hope that you'll be able to adapt PhotoOrganista to your workflow and organisation methods. Don't forget to check out other tutorials to learn the full power of PhotoOrganista.